Did you know that your body is full of everyday superpowers that defy the rules of physics? Yes, I'm talking about things you do every single day without even realizing how extraordinary they actually are. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see yourself as nothing less than a human marvel. Let's dive straight in. Okay, so let's start with one of the strangest physics-defying acts that's been right under your nose, literally. Your sense of smell. That's right. Your nose is a superhero. Here's the crazy part. When you smell something, your brain can identify a single molecule in the air, a million billion chemical molecule soup, and your brain singles out, oh hey, that's pizza, or wait, is that burnt toast? NASA could use this technology for detecting malfunctions on spacecraft. And what's more, your sense of smell ties directly to your emotions. That's why the smell of freshly baked cookies can trigger happy childhood memories faster than a photo can. Wild, right? But hey, we're just getting started. Let's talk about balance. Have you ever thought about what's keeping you upright in this chaotic world of gravity? Inside your inner ear is a liquid that sloshes around, depending on how you move. This sloshing actually tells your brain which way is up, like some sort of built-in gyroscope. Seriously, who needs fancy tech gadgets when you have your own balance superpower? And if you've ever felt dizzy, it's simply your inner ear liquid playing pinball during sensory overload. Your body is a genius. Oh, and here's another jaw-dropper. Let's talk about your bones. More specifically, why aren't they breaking all the time even though every step you take sends shockwaves through your skeleton? Your bones don't act like brittle glass. Instead, their porous structure and proteins make them act more like springs and shock absorbers. So that time you jumped off a swing as a kid and landed hard, your bones were like, cool bro, got it. By the way, did you know that ounce for ounce, your bones are stronger than steel? Yeah, steel. Wait until you hear about your hands. I can almost guarantee you'll never look at your fingers the same way again. Have you ever wondered why your fingers prune up in water? The crazy reason? Scientists believe it's an evolutionary adaptation to give us extra grip, almost like biological tire treads. Imagine needing to gather food or resources in slippery water hundreds of thousands of years ago. Your wrinkled fingers were a game changer. Kind of makes bath time feel a little more epic, doesn't it? Now, let's move on to the most underrated superhero of your body, your skin. Did you know your skin is a bioshield designed to keep out more than 99% of pathogens like bacteria? But that's not all. Get ready for a wow moment. When you cut yourself, your body immediately goes into superhero repair mode. Your blood platelets turn into something like construction workers. They start building a clot city, while your immune cells go into overdrive to prevent infection. All this happens without you ever giving it a thought. And by the way, your skin produces vitamin D when it comes into contact with sunlight. It's like a biosolar panel that fuels your entire body. Oh, and how could we not talk about reflexes? Your reflexes are so lightning fast that sometimes your body acts before your brain even knows what's up. Ever touched something hot and your hand jerked away before you even registered, ouch? That's your spinal cord saving the day, sending the emergency signal on its express route while your brain's still saying, hey, what's happening? Call it your personal emergency response unit. All right, any gym buffs or fitness fans here? Let's discuss muscles. No, not just for looking cool in tank tops. I'm talking about tensile strength. Your muscles are essentially tiny engines burning fuel and converting it into energy to move your body. But get this fun fact. Per square inch, your tongue is the strongest muscle you have. And speaking of conversion, here's something to chew on. Your body is incredibly energy efficient. You can walk about 3 miles on the energy equivalent of a single light bulb running for an hour. Yes, really, your body is basically a Tesla. And finally, drum roll please, the brain. You didn't think we'd forget the ultimate superpower, did you? Your brain processes over 70,000 thoughts in a single day. It filters through millions of sensory inputs to help you focus on just that one car horn or one voice in a crowded room. This process is called selective attention, and it's your built-in AI. Your brain also runs entirely on chemical electricity. Every smile you make, every memory you recall, every emotion you feel, it's all electrical impulses traveling faster than you can blink. It's like having a live orchestra and a power plant running simultaneously, ready for another twist. Your brain is like a huge social network, with neurons sending messages at a speed of 268 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car. And, oh, while you're watching this video, your brain has already burned enough energy to power a smartphone for an hour. So, the next time you're brushing your teeth, walking, texting, or just sitting and binge-watching videos, remind yourself just how amazing and physics-defying your own body truly is. From your nose, working like a NASA sensor, to your brain acting as the ultimate boss, you're walking evidence of brilliance and bioengineering. Every breath you take is a mini miracle, and with that, I hope you now appreciate just how mind-blowingly incredible you are. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're feeling a new sense of pride for your superhero body. Also, if you want to see more science-backed or inspiring facts, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Share this with someone who needs to know they're a walking, talking miracle too. Until next time on Science Facts, stay curious.